Today I'll show you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Calendly scheduling page embedded directly on your site, so visitors can book time with you without ever leaving your page. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and that you're on your home dashboard. This is the main screen you see right after you sign in, where all of your event types are listed. If you're not on that page, you can usually get back to it by clicking on the Home or Event Types section in Calendly's main menu. Next, look through your list of event types and find the specific one you want to display on your GoDaddy site. This might be something like a 30-minute meeting, a consultation, or any other event you've already set up in Calendly. Take a moment here to be sure you're choosing the right one, because the event you pick is exactly what your visitors will see and be able to book. Once you've found that event type, look for the three dots next to it. These dots usually appear on the right side of the event row and open up extra options. Click on those three dots to reveal a small menu of actions you can take for that event. From that menu, select the option that says Add to Website. This is the feature Calendly provides specifically for embedding your scheduling page into another website like your GoDaddy site. Clicking this will open a new panel or window with different ways you can display your calendar. In the Add to Website panel, you'll see a few choices. For this tutorial, choose Inline Embed. This option means your calendar will appear directly on the page itself rather than as a button or a pop-up. It gives visitors a smoother, more integrated experience because they can see available times and book right where they are. After selecting Inline Embed, click Continue. Calendly will now generate some code for you. This code is what you'll place inside your GoDaddy website, and it's what actually pulls your live calendar into the page. You don't need to understand the code itself, you just need to copy and paste it correctly. When the code appears, click the button that says Copy Code. This will copy all of the embed code to your clipboard. Be sure not to change anything in that code because even small edits can stop the calendar from working properly. Now switch over to your GoDaddy website editor in a new tab or window and open the page where you want your Calendly calendar to appear. In the editor, look for an option to add custom HTML or code. This might be called an HTML block, a code section, or something similar depending on which version of the GoDaddy builder you're using. Add that HTML section to your page, click into it, and then paste the embed code you copied from Calendly. Once you've pasted the code, save or update the page in GoDaddy, then preview your site to confirm that the Calendly calendar is visible and working. Visitors should now be able to see your available times and book an appointment directly from your GoDaddy website.